What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video here today. Thanks for joining us again. First, a word from my sponsor. My sponsor, Haley, is who?
Jesus.
Jesus. Matthew 27, verse 46. Jesus was dying on the cross for our sins. He looked up to God. He said, my God, why have you forsaken me? God was forsaking Jesus. He was turning his back on him. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And when I read that, I like to read it as God's never going to leave me, forsake me, because I trust that God has no forsaking left. I'm not going to say all those weird conjugations, incorrect conjugations of that verb anymore, because my mother, Haley's grandma, got mad at me because she thought I was speaking incorrectly and I was doing it on purpose, intentionally, just trying
That's
to...
what they all say.
That's what they all say. I mean, forsaking, like, God was forsaking Jesus. It was past tense, extra past tense. Like, I don't know if I said that one before, but...
That's actually past tense and then a present tense, but okay.
Oh, yeah. Past tense. Yeah, you're right. And he's not doing it anymore. So.
Okay, anyways.
I was doing it incorrectly on purpose. Grandma, I apologize for trying to be funny, and she said that it was not obvious that...
It was also not funny. That's what she said.
But no, she said it wasn't obvious that I was doing it on purpose, which just made me sound dumb. So thanks, Grandma, for the feedback to the videos. But now I've got this unboxing today. You've seen this video on the channel before, but this is the third and the last installment of the new Hesper Gets a New Shoe. Hopefully she's going to like at least one of these. She may not like any of them. This is all Sunday. I'm recording all these videos on the same day, and you'll see them in on separate days though. And this is the one where she's going to be at the end of this video. She's going to take each one of these out of the box and then decide which one she wants. And again, like I said, she may not like any of them. But I do have one more dunk, because I hit on another dunk that's coming on Tuesday that I think she'll probably like better. But it's a low, so this is her high opportunity, because she has no dunk highs. She's got the strawberry milk dunk mid, but has no other. I guess she kind of does, but doesn't really have any dunk lows, any standard dunk lows, other than the crazy camo, which wasn't completely standard. But hopefully she'll find one of these that she likes.
Wait, she has the sparkly ones.
Oh yeah, those are SBs. But I hope that she liked this one, because I have a core purple. But I think a core purple low. I think she's going to like this one better, or she might like these, because I actually think this is going to be my favorite one. I wanted to put her reaction into this video, because you've seen this one here before, but actually I may talk about this one more than I talked about any one of those. I'm pretty sure those videos were pretty short, right?
Yeah, they were pretty short.
Yeah. And I tried to do that on purpose, because they're, there's not a whole lot going on in them. They're not like great content on a great shoe. But this one, like I said, I've had this here before, and I like the shoe. I actually think the shoe might cost more than those. I think those were only $105.
That looks like a big box.
All right, well, this is the women's.
Wimmies.
These are grade school, and a lot of times grade school, they take the quality out a little bit, as opposed to the men's. Men's, like, I think men's 11s have the full length zoom units, and a kid's does not. But if it's a women's 11, it does have the full length zoom. I don't know exactly what the case would be with the women's, but I do know that I've had these before, and they're pretty good. Women's Nike Dunk High White, Black, University Red. You know what that is, Haley? Women's Dunk High University Red, White, Black.
I think it's exactly what you just said.
Yes, it is, but can you picture it? Do you know the shoe?
No.
This is size 8 in women's, so 6.5, same as grade school 6.5 here. And she might like this one the best.
Oh yeah, she'll probably, well, I don't know.
You get the red on the tongue. I picked these up the first time I got a pair of these. I got them from Finish Line, and I think it was maybe a little bit bigger, like a size 9 or something like that. But for some reason, this women's dunk has just a little bit better quality than these grade schools. The toe box is, I think, a little shorter. Yeah, definitely. It doesn't come up quite as high.
It's more like a Jordan instead of a dunk.
Maybe that's just
from
because
the
it's black.
front part. No, the
I like the cut of this toe box. This leather is a whole lot thicker, and it just seems like better quality leather. I don't know what it is about these, but they do look like better quality leather. They have the Nike, but a lot bigger. Pause. I have a really hard time getting the what do you call it?
Insole.
The insoles out of these.
You have a really hard time saying the word insole, too.
I can't ever remember insole, so I'll be right back.
Oh, thank the Lord.
I'm gonna keep that part in.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to keep that in. Almost.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Does Danny watch your videos?
Not really.
Blah.
Okay, that's not gonna come in.
Oh my gosh.
All right, none of these have anything in them, so like paper or anything. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. All right. Try to get both of these out. They're really glued in. I'm gonna rip them if I try to get them out. If I actually get them out, so I'm not gonna do it anymore. But the branding on this, definitely. I guess it's because it's women's and it's grade school. It has this branding with white, black. What's it called again? Insole, or the black fabric on the top, and the Nike Air branding that was a lot bigger. But I guess it's because it's women's, not grade school. That there's another little bit of a difference. Like, I think this is one of the things I noticed on this when I bought it, when I bought the first one. You see how it's jagged? The swoosh cut is jagged?
A little bit, yeah.
I don't know why I like that.
It just makes it look like it's nice quality.
Yeah, I don't think that really means anything, but I like the way it looks. So, Hesper gets to choose between these three and decide which one she wants, if any of them. She may not want one, but in this video, this is the one I mentioned. No, I mentioned Grandma in this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. In this video, I accidentally, not really accidentally, I think I might have done on purpose, but I have a size 5, a size 6.5 in women's. And I got it on Papa's account. Papa's account gets shipped to Papa and Grandma's house. So, and I also need to apologize. In this video that you saw a couple of days ago, Isaac bought this one and I reimbursed him, and he took my box, and I thought maybe he took my
shoe tree.
My shoe tree. None of these came with shoe trees, so sorry, but he did take the box. He absolutely took the box because it did get shipped in a box. Although maybe it didn't, because that box is all messed up too. But
anyways,
so Grandma is gonna unbox this, tell us whether she likes it or not on camera. Grandma never comes out here because we live 30 miles away. So the one that my sister lives 10 miles away. They see them every day. Isaac is going to record her unboxing this shoe, and we're going to see that now.
Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh, they're not bad, but they're high. And I do not wear high tops, so this will not be mine, but they look nice. What are they? Are these pandas?
Yeah, they're just the highs.
They look like a panda. And they're very pretty and they're very nice. But I don't think I could deal with that up around my ankle. So very nice for somebody, but I don't think so for me.
So that was pretty cool. I haven't seen it yet because it still hasn't happened, but I'm sure it's pretty cool. Or maybe I won't have put anything in there if it was that bad. But either way, I'll put something in the description. I'll put something in the description about what I thought about, or why I didn't put it in if I didn't put it in. But I think Grandma likes Lowe's better. She did ask for Lowe's the last time I got her a pair of shoes. So she may not want these, but they are pandas. Like, this is almost as good as the little panda low right here.
Yes, almost. I think it's better.
So I don't think so.
I like the red.
Oh, I do like the red. Yeah, you're right about that. But I don't think it's better than the low. But we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs and 3 pairs of pandas, 1 high. I guess Grandma's pair is another one, so that's 7.
Are her grandma's actually pandas, or is that one?
This is a panda. This is a panda.
It's not though.
It is. It's just a panda high.
It's not though, because if it was a panda high, it would be called a panda high.
It is called.
No, it's not.
What's
the panda high has the black Nike, not red.
It doesn't matter. It's a panda.
But it's not.
But I have court purple low, panda low out there too. So 3 panda lows, 2 panda highs, court purple panda high, my court purple panda low, court purple panda. No, it's not panda.
Court purple panda.
Court purple high.
What are you talking
Midnight
about?
navy high. We've got dunks. Just.
It's another Dunkapalooza.
It's another Dunkapalooza. Go back and watch my old Dunkapalooza video. I think I had a UNC and a panda, and those navy ones were good with the icy outsole.
Yeah.
Those were nice. And they haven't re-released those. They haven't restocked those. But now we're going to cut to Hesper opening all of these at once in one sitting, taking them out quickly and deciding if she wants a pair. She may not want a pair at all. I'll let her close it out, but make sure you've liked, make sure you've commented something pertinent on your way to trying to become the most valuable sub to win the grand prize, which is probably going to be pretty much any shoe. I'm not going to keep all these shoes around here. For the 500 sub giveaway, I kept all these shoes around here. I had like 20 or 30 pairs of shoes for that giveaway, and you were winning one of those. It's just going to be a certain dollar amount, up to a certain dollar amount. Go StockX, whatever. I'll just order it and give it to you so that I don't have to keep all this stock sitting around here. And make sure you tell your grandma, because she's going to want to see these too. She could be the most valuable sub. If she just wants to sit around and watch YouTube videos all day, she can go back and watch all my videos, watch them as soon as she gets a notification that I've published something new. And then if she is the most valuable sub, she can get you a shoe, right?
Right.
That sounds like a great strategy.
I agree.
Grandma is fighting over being the most valuable sub. That'd be awesome. But we'll have Hesper close it out one more time. But thanks for being here. I really appreciate you. I'll cut over to her now. See you next time. Welcome back, Hesper.
Hello, Daniel.
Hello. How you feeling?
Good?
Pregnancy going good?
Yeah, I'm not sick or anything.
Great. All right. This could be your new pair of shoes day. There's 3 boxes here, all your size, all very similar, and you're going to rank them at least which one you like the worst, which one you like the best, and then which one's in the middle, whether or not you want to, and then whether you got to tell us if you want to keep the first place. Okay?
Okay.
So just take them out quickly. Tell us whether you like whether you like it or you don't, and
I do not.
why.
I don't have any purple.
That's what I said.
Same story.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. No. Leave it on top and move
Okay.
move it over. But do you like the shoe? It's just gonna
No,
be hard
I like
to.
ones.
It's just gonna be hard. Those are
just
dunks.
don't have-
Those are dunks.
Yeah, I just don't have any.
So you like it? You just hard to wear.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one's better than that one. I could wear this one. This one's really high though.
They're the same. I mean, they're all dunk highs. But
So far, this one's ahead of that one.
yeah.
This one's cute. I don't know. It'd be hard between those two.
Would you want either of them?
I don't know. I think they look good with jeans.
Yeah.
Did you say 4
For what?
shoes?
Yeah. The other one isn't very similar to these.
Oh.
So, but it's
Okay.
going to get here on Tuesday, so we can do that video on Tuesday and tack it on to the end of this. If you were like, no, I really don't prefer this one, even though this is first, I'd rather have the other one. I mean, you could have both
This
too.
one's bigger.
Well, so these are both grade school 6.5s, and that's a women's 8, which are pretty much the same size. But the box is much bigger.
So this one's probably first.
Why?
Because it's dark blue. Like this is like one of my favorite colors.
Okay.
Navy blue, and it goes with a lot of colors I like. Like I like Bordeaux, and this blue goes good with Bordeaux.
Okay.
And yellow. I like mustard yellow stuff.
Oh yeah, mustard go good with that.
Mustard and blue go really good together.
Okay.
And this goes good with jeans.
Okay. So no panda. I like those pandas, the women's pandas, because they feel a little bit better than the grade schools. They have a little bit better quality. It seems like the toe box, the front toe, is shorter.
This one just looks so much bigger than this one.
It does kind of look bigger. You're right. Hold them. I mean, women's and men's or in grade school aren't 1-to-1 size, like, but they are
I
supposed
don't
to be
like
the
how
same size.
thin this toe tip is.
What do you mean thin?
The black part is too thin.
I like that about it, but I like the short toe box.
It just looks wrong.
Okay. I think from this angle, I think I can see what you're probably talking about as well.
Yeah, and this looks like it should.
Okay.
And this looks messed up.
All right. So out of these 3, it's the Midnight Navies. That's Midnight Navy, by the way.
Midnight. Maybe.
Yeah. And, Peyton chose her dunk highs.
Mhm.
they will have seen that video. They haven't seen it yet while we're recording this, but they will have seen it by the time we publish this video. I have the Court Purple Lows that I haven't worn yet, but that I'm probably going to keep. And now you're not going to go with either of us. You're going to go on your own.
I don't know. This one is cute. I mean, you could wear this literally with anything.
Yeah. That's half the reason why everybody likes pandas. Because that's a
Yeah.
panda high.
Yeah.
I mean, you go with whatever you want to. I'm just saying that.
I just think that if I had to pick just one, it would be this one.
Okay. And we will have already seen in this video, you and I haven't seen it yet because I don't think it's been recorded, but I got a size 6.5 women's in the Panda. That's a size 5. Happened to be on Papa's account, which gets shipped to Papa and Grandma's house. Grandma wears that at 6.5.
So I think she'll like it.
She's going to unbox it. I don't know if she's going to like it or not because she doesn't really want to have a high.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, but maybe Atticus can have that one. But then that'll mean everybody has some dunks. And I guess Haley doesn't have a standard dunk, low or high. But whatever. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. She doesn't, but it'll be all right. We got enough. But, all right. So you're going to go with this one. We'll make, since the other dunk, part of the reason why I made this into a small series of most of them, like that video and that video, were shorter. This one might be a little bit longer. It's because they're all very similar looking dunks. We've had that one on here before. We were going to make it a little bit different because this one, or for this one, because you're going to choose one. You chose this one right here. But because they're all very similar dunks. The one that's coming on Tuesday, it's a different. It's just a standard, mostly standard dunk, but it's not, just a different colorway. It's a little bit different. So we'll get that one separate, and you can say, I'll keep this one instead of the blue one, maybe, instead of the midnight navy, if you want.
Okay.
We'll make that then. All right, say goodbye.
Bye. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Oh! Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.